Hello everybody. As you know, default browser on macOS is Safari, but it can be annoying to use Safari sometimes, especially if you used other browsers before. In this video, I will show you how you can change default browser on macOS from Safari to any of your choice. Let's go. Okay. Now, to do that, we have to go to top left-hand side and click on the Apple sign. When you open this menu, go to System Preferences. Okay, when you come to System Preferences, on the top left-hand side of the window, go to General section. Okay, and when you come here, as you can see here, default web browser is Safari. Now I want to open the drop-down menu and select my browser, Brave, Firefox, Google Chrome, or Yandex. I will select Brave browser. This is a personal preference that I'm quite happy with it, and I will select Brave browser. And in this way, when I close it, the default browser is changed from Safari to Brave browser. Please do not forget to like and subscribe our video. That's it. Have a great day.